Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visit. In today's video we'll be discussing about who is Carnage, and we will get to know Woody Harrelson's killer character in Venom 2.
Carnage.
Sony is giving audiences a double dose of alien symbiotes in Venom 2, the upcoming sequel to Tom Hardy's 2018 Spider-Man spin-off. Along with bringing back Hardy as Eddie Brock, the host of the alien entity known as Venom, the film will introduce Woody Harrelson as Galactus Kasady, who becomes the host of another symbiote, Carnage, a serial killer whose love for sowing chaos is only topped by his affinity for murder. Kasady finds his darkest impulses empowered when he becomes Carnage. One of Spider-Man's deadliest foes, Carnage has a long history in the Marvel Comics universe. For those who might not be as familiar with his sinister saga, here is a quick recap.
So many snacks, so little time.
A brutal origin. The product of an abusive home, Galactus Kasady had a childhood in which murder, torture, and antisocial behavior were the norm. His disturbing timeline in Marvel's comics saw him kill his own grandmother at an early age, and after the death of his parents, which he played a direct role in, he took out his murderous inclinations on the orphanage where he was sent. The Venom Connection. Imprisoned after a battle with Spider-Man and a pair of villains, Eddie Brock initially believed the Venom symbiote to be dead and found himself occupying a cell with Kasady, who he hated due to Kasady's affinity of killing innocent people, something Brock tried to never do as Venom.
Hi.
However, when the Venom symbiote turned out to be alive and found its way back to Brock, their prison escape resulted in the symbiote leaving behind a small bit of itself, essentially its child. That child symbiote bonded with Kasady and made his already violent, fractured mind even more deranged, and he embarked on a new killing spree with his dramatically heightened powers. It took the combined efforts of Spider-Man and Venom, the former foes now allied along with the Fantastic Four and various other superheroes, to finally defeat Carnage. Carnage in Sony's Venomverse. At this point, we know very little about Kasady. The story will play out in Venom 2. Rumors have suggested that Tom Holland could make a cameo in the film as Spider-Man, which would further link Sony's Spider-Verse to the Marvel Cinematic Universe and makes sense given Carnage and Venom's narrative links to the web slinger in Marvel's comics.
And I have been